winners! Today, we proudly explain how OPO investors achieved 165% profit in 14 months with the ASHAPURA Minechem Limited stock. The ASHAPURA Minechem Limited company is a leading multi-mineral solutions provider company of India. We recommended buying this stock on 7th August 2020 at 9:39 a.m. and the suggested price was near or below rupees 45 and rupees 35. We had mentioned the target price between 52 to 428 Indian rupees. We have achieved the third target successfully and now obtaining a price of rupees 119 and 20 paise. With more time, we will achieve our fourth, fifth, and sixth target too. We acquired it under our suggested time 9:52 a.m. of 29 September 2021. Be a part of these kinds of achievements and you can join our premium services and know the manner of the successes in the stock market. Go with the given link below in the description box. To experience some more relatable recommendation videos, you can subscribe to our Only Profit You Academy channel and stay updated always. Would you please share our videos with those interested in investing or trading in the stock market? It can be a game changer for them.